What's the plan?
Yeah, so we've seen some dolphins from the top. We are gonna try to go down. There's quite a bit of waves crashing on the rocks, so it's gonna be quite hard to actually get in the water, but you know us, hardcore. So let's go. So as you can see from behind me, getting in and out of the water is really going to be the main issue. I mean, going in maybe is going to be fine if you time it properly, but coming back the other way is going to be the dangerous part. So let's go and have some fun.